Hey everybody, that's a wrap up on the portable fire pit. I want to thank Lifedoo for sending this thing out to me. I think it's a really cool idea. It's such a slim down modular fire pit. You can really take it with you anywhere. The only thing I really thought it lacked was a decent carrying case, so I just went ahead and made one for myself. This thing is no frills, it's nothing but scrap wood, a $3 handle, and a little bit of super glue, which I could have just swapped that out with wood glue. But I think this is going to be strong enough to get the job done, and it kind of keeps all the components together without them running around in the bed of my truck or anything like that, because it is sort of heavy. The whole thing weighs about 20 pounds, but a case like this can handle that no problem. If you like the fire pit, I'm going to link them down below in the description, so be sure to check it out down there. Really cool product. If you made a carrying case like this, would you do the design any differently? Let me hear about that down below in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to check back in for more videos coming up soon. And please consider subscribing and hitting that little bell button to turn on notifications. That way you'll know the moment we post new videos. I'm Ethan James with The Honest Carpenter. I'll see you next time.